My name is John Williams, President of the Royal Academy of Culinary Arts. I'm delighted to announce that applications are now open for the Master of Culinary Arts, otherwise known as the MCA. The MCA represents the pinnacle of achievement within our industry, the most prestigious honour recognising exceptional craftsmanship across kitchen, pastry and service. It is important to note that this is not a competition, but rather an accolade celebrating the highest standards of skill and mastery among those who are successful. The MCA is held once every 4 years, making this a rare and truly special opportunity. If you believe you have what it takes to stand among the very best in our country, I warmly encourage you to apply by visiting the Royal Academy of Culinary Arts website and completing the online application. I look forward with great anticipation to welcome the new Masters of Culinary Arts of 2026 and wishing you all the very best to everyone.